Ever find yourself staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with the perfect Instagram caption? Or maybe your feed has gone a bit stale, and you're desperate for fresh post ideas. Trust me, I've been there. But here's the good news. You can harness the power of ChatGPT to level up your Instagram, and it's way easier than you think. Let's dive in. First up, captions. You know that awkward moment when you've got a killer photo but absolutely no words? ChatGPT can sort that out in seconds. Here's how I do it. I simply describe my photo to ChatGPT like a cozy coffee shop on a rainy day and ask for 3 caption ideas. Within moments, I get gold. Things like sipping happiness 1 cup at a time or rainy days made better with coffee. Seriously, it's like having a creative partner on tap. But it gets better. I can even tell ChatGPT the vibe I'm after. Want something witty? Or maybe heartfelt? Just ask. For example, give me a funny caption for a photo of my dog in sunglasses. Boom! ChatGPT comes up with lines that get real engagement. Now, let's talk post ideas. If your content calendar's looking a bit empty, ChatGPT is a goldmine. Say I'm a travel blogger and want to shake things up. I'll prompt ChatGPT. Give me 5 unique Instagram post ideas for a travel page. I might get things like share a throwback to your first solo trip or do a what's in my bag post from your latest destination. Just like that, I've got a week's worth of content lined up. But here's the magic. ChatGPT isn't just about spitting out ideas. You can collaborate with it. Maybe I want my captions to sound more personal or fit my usual humor. I'll ask, can you make this caption sound more like me? And ChatGPT adapts the tone. It's like having a brainstorm session anytime I want. A couple of quick tips to get the best results. Be specific in your prompts, give context, and don't be afraid to ask for edits. The more you chat, the better it gets at matching your style. So the next time you're stuck for Instagram inspiration, remember, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. Give it a try, experiment with prompts, and watch your engagement go through the roof. If this helped, drop a comment below with your favorite ChatGPT-generated caption. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to make your content shine.